cold ground, boots in the mud, still shaking deep down. I feel the frost line breaking, little green teeth biting through the dark, awakening. I breathe in and my chest starts quaking. Spring comes crashing in like 1,000 doors all swinging open. My heart starts kicking again, every locked up part gets broken. I was great, half asleep, now the colors flood my skin. Oh, I'm running, I'm jumping, I'm laughing, I'm shouting. Spring comes crashing in, hey! Old coat hung that weight by the door. Thick smoke cleared out of my hallway. All my small dreams pinned up like bills on the fridge. Now they hum, now they buzz, now they jump off the edge. Oh, yeah! Spring comes crashing in like 1,000 doors all swinging open. My heart starts kicking again, every locked up part gets broken. I was great, half asleep, now the colors flood my skin. Oh, I'm running, I'm jumping, I'm laughing, I'm shouting. Spring comes crashing, hey! Hands up to the bright wild air. We were seeds once, buried in despair. Now we rise up, roots tangled but we wave. Shout it loud, shout it louder, let the sunlight in. Spring comes crashing in like 1,000 doors all swinging open. My heart starts kicking again, every locked up part gets broken. I was great, half asleep, now the colors flood my skin. Oh, we're running, we're jumping, we're laughing, we're shouting. Spring comes crashing, spring comes crashing in. Spring comes crashing in.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe and like my channel. I'm new here and I hope I could give you more videos like this. So please guys, please support me and do subscribe and like. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you again next time with a new video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.